Home Run In sandwich training video. My name is Alan Wise. In conjunction with Food and Beverage Director Jeff Hirsch, we developed Home Run In's signature sandwich line. In this film, you will learn how to make our new Jack Daniel's caramelized onions, and then how to prepare and assemble Home Run In's selection of premium burgers and sandwiches. Several of our premium sandwiches contain Jack Daniel's caramelized onions. It is important to note the structure of the onion and how there are two ways to cut it, either pole to pole or crosswise. For the purposes of making our Jack Daniel's caramelized onions, we will be cutting them crosswise. Note, you should always wear a protective cutting glove covered by a plastic glove for your personal safety and purposes of sanitation. Once the onions are sliced, place them in a large container and toss with kosher salt. The salt helps to draw moisture from the onions during the cooking process, facilitating caramelization, enhancing flavor and sweetness. For 5 pounds of onions, melt 6 ounces of butter with 1 cup of water. The purpose of the water is twofold. It facilitates the cooking of the onions while protecting them from charring in the pan too soon. Add all the onions to the pan. It may seem that there are too many for the pan, but they will dramatically shrink in volume throughout the cooking process. The cooking process will draw off and evaporate the water in the onions, which causes them to shrink in volume, concentrate in flavor, and eventually begin to caramelize. The film of browned onion bits, which forms on the bottom of the pan, is called fond. Fond is the caramelized sugars of the onions and is the foundation for the flavor of the dish. Once the bottom of the pan is thoroughly covered with a dense fond and the onions are browning, you will release that flavorful element from the pan with a liquid. In this case, Jack Daniel's Tennessee Whiskey. Pour the whiskey into the pan so the alcohol doesn't combust. Then turn the heat back up to high and scrape the fond off the pan and mix it into the onions. Cook the mixture until the alcohol is cooked off. You determine this by smelling the pan's vapors. Then cook until most of the liquid has evaporated. The crispy onion straws are an element of several sandwiches. They are made from sliced whole onions and a 50-50 mixture of meat breading and flour. The onions are held in water to keep them crisp and to adhere the flour mixture. Place a handful of onions in the dredge and coat thoroughly. Then, place in a strainer and shake the excess dredging back into the pan. Then fry for 2 minutes. Now on to the meat of the matter, the sandwiches. This is a station cheat sheet. It will be visible to you at all times in your station. It contains all of the steps and ingredients you will need to make each menu item. Wearing rubber gloves, make an indent in the middle of the burger patty with your thumb. This stops the juices from pooling in the middle of the burger during the cooking process. Shake adobo seasoning on the patty, thoroughly dusting each side, then place in the Nieco broiler. To make the Legend Burger, place the burger patty on either a spatula or a sizzle platter. Top with a 1-ounce scoop of Jack Daniel's caramelized onions. Then, 3 thick-cut pickle slices. And a thick slice of Velveeta cheese. Place under the cheese melter until the Velveeta melts, but be careful not to burn it. This should take approximately 3 minutes. Drizzle bistro sauce on the bottom bun. Place the burger on top. Then the top bun. Skewer with a small steak knife in the middle and plate the fries or side on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. Thus completes the Legend Burger. Building the Grand Slam Burger. Place the cooked burger on the bun, then top with 2 bacon slices which have been crisped in a sizzle pan for 3 minutes under the cheese melter. Then top with crispy onion straws, and 1 ounce of blue cheese dressing. Skewer with a small steak knife and place the fries or side dish on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. And that's how you build a Grand Slam burger. The Fall Off the Wagon Burger. Gently break apart 2 ounces of Italian beef into the jus. Let warm for 30 seconds. Drain very thoroughly. Then place the Italian beef on top of the cooked burger. Then top with 1 1-ounce scoop of sliced roasted red peppers and 1 slice of provolone cheese. Then place under the cheese melter for 1 minute. On the bottom bun, drizzle mayonnaise, and citrus chipotle sauce. Then top with the burger and the top bun. Skewer with a small steak knife and place the fries or side dish on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. And that's how you fall off the wagon. Creating the MV beef. Gently break apart 6 ounces of Italian beef into the jus. Let warm for 30 seconds. Drain very well. Then place the beef on the grilled focaccia bread. Be careful, it can get wily. Place 1 ounce of drained giardiniera on the beef. And then top with 1 slice of mozzarella cheese. Then shingle on 6 slices of pepperoni. And place under the cheese melter for 1 minute. Place the top of the toasted focaccia bun on top and skewer with a small steak knife and serve with a side of marinara and fries or a side dish on a square home run in napkin. And that's the MV beef. How to make the sweet baby beef. Gently break up 6 ounces of Italian beef into the jus and warm for 30 seconds. Drain very well, then place on the bottom of a toasted pretzel bun. Corralling all the beef to stay in one place may take a little bit of effort. Drizzle 1 ounce of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on top, and then 1 slice of provolone cheese. Place under the cheese melter for 1 minute. Top with a heavy drizzle of ranch dressing, and then crispy onion straws. Then place the top bun on everything. Skewer with a small steak knife and place the fries or side dish on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. And that's how you make sweet baby beef. The Spicy Chick. This sandwich is offered as either a grilled or crisp fried version. We will be demonstrating the fried version. Put the seasoned chicken breasts into the meat breading. Thoroughly coat, then tap off the excess. Float in the fryer and let fry for 4 minutes. Drizzle the chicken breast with buffalo sauce. Then top with crisp onion straws. Drizzle ranch dressing on top of the onion straws. And then top with the grilled focaccia bun. Skewer with a small knife, then serve with a side of buffalo sauce. And that's how you make a spicy chick. The South Carolina chicken. Place the marinated chicken breast in the Nico broiler. The South Carolina chicken is named after the golden barbecue sauce which is used on it, which is very common in the Carolinas. Drizzle the golden barbecue sauce on each side of the toasted focaccia bun. Place 2 strips of bacon which have been crisped under the cheese melter on the chicken breast. Then top with 1 ounce of Jack Daniel's caramelized onions and 2 slices of provolone cheese. Then place under the cheese melter for 2 minutes. Place the chicken breast between the focaccia bun. Skewer with a small steak knife and place the fries or side dish on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. And that's the South Carolina chicken. The chicken Capri. Shingle 3 slices of fresh mozzarella on the grilled chicken breast. Place under the cheese melter for 30 seconds. Until the mozzarella starts to melt and glistens. Then, alternately, shingle 3 slices of fresh Roma tomato with 3 leaves of fresh basil on top. Then, drizzle the top bun with mayonnaise and balsamic glaze. Skewer with a small steak knife and place the fries or side dish on the other side of the plate on a home run in square napkin. That's how you assemble the chicken Capri. This concludes the home run in sandwich making tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask your manager or any senior culinary personnel. Our goal is to provide you with all of the tools you need to succeed.